Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with the next day of Valentine's Day jewelry tutorials for the 14 days of Valentine's Day jewelry. We're going to make 4 pairs of earrings today, but they're super simple. Like, I think you guys have noticed that this is a simple series, but that's by design so I can make 14 videos, and also not every piece of jewelry needs to be wild, right? So we're going to be making some earrings. I have this, I think these might have been tiara cast. I had 2 of those. A little check glass flower, a stone heart, and then 2 brass beads. I have some 22 gauge wire, German style from Beadalon. And I'm going to do a wire wrapped loop onto my earring. We'll go ahead and do this. Snip that on. And I am going to wire wrap that around. And this one's the front for this one because I'm doing them, the other side was reversed. So I'm going to cut off my excess wire. Kind of tuck that in a little bit. I cut that a little long. Okay, and then I will put on my flower, my spacer, my heart, my seed bead, and then I'll do a wire wrap loop. And I'm going to turn that sideways because I want it to hang right on my earring wire. And we'll snip this. And there's our little earring. Isn't that cute? I'll put wires on at the end and show you everything together, but aren't those adorable? I mean, that's just a truly cute little Valentine's Day pair of earrings. Like, you know that's for Valentine's Day. Yes, it'll work for the rest of the year, but that's definitely for Valentine's Day. The next one, I'm going to be using these charms and some 22 gauge pear wire in vintage bronze. Almost positive I got this from JTB. And then I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to loop it right on. I mean, it's the same pair of earrings, but just looks different using different charms and different beads. So then I'm going to loop that on to my earring, or my charm, I should say. Hold that. And wire wrap it. And then I'm going to put on a check glass heart, a brass seed bead, a smaller check glass heart, and then a small gold seed bead. Just the cutest little thing. I think it's so sweet. I mean, again, that's another one that's just like textbook Valentine's Day, although I cut my wire in the front, but nobody's gonna notice that. I'll give these away. I'll give them to Mom for Valentine's Day and she'll love them. She won't even notice. And then we will pull that to the back, turn it sideways so everything's facing the right way, and we'll pull. All right. There we go. That's our second pair of earrings. They're so cute. These are super cute. Like if I wore earrings, these are very lightweight. I don't know, Mom might not get these. But if I wore earrings frequently, I would wear these, but I don't, so I won't. And then the next one's not really like a Valentine's Day earring, but I thought it fit in the series, and I just really wanted to use these beads because I thought they were gorgeous, and I only have 2 of them. I guess I could make 2 bracelets, but we'll just do earrings. I have these check glass flowers. They're matte. They look vintage. I just think this is going to look like a vintage Valentine's Day pair. And then I'm going to do a wire wrap loop at the top. But before I close that up, I'm going to grab this little connector. It's double-sided, just like my flower, and snap that on. Okay. I'm going to hold that with my needle nose pliers because it's easier to get in there, and then wrap it around. I've already made 3 pairs of earrings in 6 minutes, but I mean, I made one piece of each pair, so that would be maybe 12 minutes if you're making 6 pieces. And isn't that cute? I feel like these are definitely like Marc Jacobs-esque or just retro beauteousness. Oh, I love those. And then last but not least, I got these jump rings at one of the big box stores. I'm just going to take the one that I want in the middle. I'm going to open it up just a little bit. I'm going to put on my white one, then my pink one, and close it back up. So this is a 30-second earring. And we have a cute little, really lightweight dangle. So these are things that you can get done really fast that, you know, what if you're going to a last-minute Valentine's Day thing and you have 5 friends? Really easy. So let's put some ear wires on these. I think that one I'm going to do silver. Well, I have antique brass ear wires somewhere, but I'll be darned if I know where they are. So I'm just going to use bright brass for the one pair. And here we go. Here is the flower pair. So cute. I love those so much. The candy heart pair is what I'm going to call them. That's what those red hots or whatever you want to call them. That's what I think of when I see those little red check glass hearts. These cute, really lightweight earrings. And then these guys, they're just so sweet. Pink and red. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I'm pretty sure, so this is, I think, the 11th video, and it's Thursday, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to post 2 tomorrow, and then maybe 1 on Saturday, or maybe 1 on Saturday and 1 on Sunday. I know we're going to go past Valentine's Day, but I want to get all 14 videos done, and I know you guys like them anyway, so I'm sure you're not going to hold me to making sure they're done before Valentine's Day. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day. Bye-bye. She was just moving her foot. I'm trying to get her to do it again, but she's asleep. Goldie. Oh, there's your foot. You're so cute. Yes.